Morning, everybody. Today is Monday, January 15th, 2024. Just wanted to give you a little update from the off-grid cabin at the undisclosed location. I've been here since Thursday night. I'm trying to get a little work done. Just started snowing today. The last 3-4 days were very brutal, very high winds, cool temps, and that wind chill would just cut right through you. As you can probably hear, I got the generator running. We're going to take a quick trip around the cabin here. Got a little cleanup work to do on the outside. I got to get that pallet out of there. But over there I got my generator, and I gotta clean some more area over there and move it back a little farther. I could probably go another 5-10 feet to the left, and then I ultimately want to build like a little generator house to keep the generator out of the weather. We got some rolls of insulation and some bats of insulation there. I think one of the plans is to try to level this out, go into those little trees there and back over in here. There's a couple of trees. Level that whole area out. I want to utilize this for like tank storage, propane storage, water storage. I can do some grilling out here. I can do just all kinds of stuff outside here. We got a 50 inlet power supply. 240, 120 going in. And then I like to ultimately, so I don't fall and slide down the hill here. Can't really go too far. Kind of level this out just a little bit, because what I want to do is I want to have tanks coming off of each of the eaves. Water tank storage so I can collect and harvest rainwater. I still have to get under here and start insulating the floor. I want to try and get some work done on the inside today, but I may just go ahead and at least put a couple rows in there just to see how it works, and in case I need to change anything out. I'm going to take a quick trip inside here. This keeps up, I may have to bring a snow shovel. So because it was so cold this weekend, originally I was going to finish the wiring first, but because it was so cold, I had to go ahead and start doing some of the insulation. So the areas that are still open and not insulated, I need to run my electrical lines. Hopefully I'll get them all done today and get the cabin fully insulated today. And then I gotta try and organize it. I'll be leaving tomorrow morning, maybe, depending on the weather, and heading home. And then I plan on coming back down next month and probably spending another week down here and try and get more done. Really need to start insulating the ceiling as well. I've had a couple of different change of minds as to how to do that, but we'll see what happens. Again, this is more or less just to see how things go, and things are changing in progress. One of the things I really do like And I actually picked up another one. The outlet over here has a USB port in it. I don't know if you can see it or not. And I picked up another outlet because I was going to do it there, because I thought having a couple of USB ports there would be nice. But then when I was here and I was starting to do some insulating work and thinking about things, putting one on that stud right there, one of those outlets with USB in it, because this way here I want to have bunks ultimately against the side of the cabin. Get all my tote storage. I want to put a 12 by 12 shed out back. Then I put a lot of my storage in so that I can utilize the space here. I already got a couple nice bunks picked out. They were U.S. Forestry Service bunks that were actually used by the U.S. Forestry Service. And then put another one of those outlets with USB ports on it right there, because I want to have another row of bunks in here. It's basically going to be a bunkhouse, and I don't plan on spending a whole hell of a lot of time in here. When I'm down here, I'm going to be more outside doing stuff and whatever. But just trying to do what I can do. Again, this has been the little tour of the off-grid cabin at the undisclosed location. And as you can see, it is kind of a snowy day out there. Alrighty, have a good one all. We'll see you the next time around.